Come on, pop, baby, pop. Bro, where am I? I've never seen so many apartments in one area. Well, obviously I have, but not in this city. Fat pops, bro. Fat pops. Pop, baby, pop. Yo, bro, I'm literally going in a circle right now. I have no clue. I just entered one neighborhood. Now I did a full circle. I didn't even know that. What the? Bro, it's so random. Hope you guys been enjoying the new exhaust, man. I feel like putting the straight pipe changed like literally the whole entire sound. Yeah, putting the straight pipe, I wonder if the titanium exhaust has like a huge difference between the steel exhaust. Yeah, my goal is to definitely test out like both materials, because I definitely feel like I don't know which one will sound better, but I'm actually curious if it actually does sound like has a huge difference. I'm gonna go through this garage one more time. But I'm gonna focus on not just completely disturbing the peace. Just the turbo spools in here are just like, dude, they sound crazy in here. I'm idling right now, you can hear it whistling. Like, what the fudge? I'm in third gear now. It should, I don't know if it spools more, but. That's honestly that's why this car sold me, bro. It's hearing those whistles. It's crazy. You guys already know this street, man. This is the freaking best street there is, bro. Freaking amazing, dude. Honestly, I feel like you guys just like watching me drive. I mean, it's the same. I've been uploading this type of content for over a year and a half now. It's so crazy to me that I'm literally just all I'm doing is just driving this thing. That's why I need to like focus on keep growing. I guess it's a way to motivate people to like make more, study hard. Because there's so much money to be made, bro. I'm trying to buy every single car, make a POV on every single car just like this. Driving with my homie with the Z. Wait, what's going on with my spot? There we go. Let's see what he's gonna do. Bro, I love that guy. It's crazy. He also has a fastback. I think it's either a fastback or some kind of vintage Mustang that's supercharged as well. So it's like he has nice cars at home, and he has a Mark IV Super. This is the same guy with the Mark IV. The clouds are crazy. this freaking guy. Dude, it's either people are like, oh, it comes from exhaust, but it sounds like something's like on fire right now. Perfect. And I have the windows down, boys. I used to have to roll the windows down to hear the exhaust. Now, bro, it's too loud. Honestly, it's way too loud. With a turbo. Oh, dude, look at the bro. These clouds are crazy. This is, dude, California as a whole. So, bro, those clouds go crazy. Alright, boys, we're gonna continue this with a little nighttime POV. Something about I don't know what it is, guys. Like, I don't even know how I'm still uploading POVs. Like, it's just so weird how therapeutic it is driving these cars. It's kind of scary to even think about. It's kind of scary. I don't even like understand why it's so therapeutic driving these cars, man. Like, I have everything I've done in my life, bro. Like, driving cars is still one of the most enjoyable things, man. I've been to Germany, Switzerland, Japan. I've been to the major cities, and bro, like, exploring cool tourist spots. Traveling's awesome. Oh, not really, honestly. Traveling's cool, but bro, this is way more enjoyable in my opinion. And I got this display up, so it's telling me how much horsepower I'm pushing, how much PSI the turbos. It's kind of lit, actually. Nighttime's always sketch, bro, because I never know who's actually behind me. Like, that's the only part that sucks. And this car is stupid loud. What the heck? Oh, snap, there's a cop behind me. I think, like, right now I know I keep it simple, guys, and I just do straight up just POVs, but my main goal is to eventually, like, do videos of me building cars and stuff. But with that, I need, like, dude, I need to be making way more money than I am now. So that's gonna be the next goal, man. So we'll start making better money, get more raises, move up in positions. You know, who knows what happens next. Woo. Like I said, man, like, it's just crazy how, like, actually buying, like, thinking about wanting to be able to afford, like, an SVJ and other types of cars. It's just crazy how it actually pushes me really hard to try to make as much money as possible. Like, I know, like, that's for everyone, but I mean, like, it's actually made me do so many things, take so much risk, and try, like basically plan for so many things that will come to present soon, which is just crazy to me. How cars can do that much. There's still a cop posted up somewhere, man. What am I hearing right now? What is? Oh, it's a. Oh gosh, dude! I thought that was a motorcycle cop. Oh my gosh, dude! And those fools give me anxiety, bro. wait, boys, dude. You guys are gonna see so much change, man. Like, I know I keep talking right now, but I'm not gonna say anything until I'm actually in the moment and I make it happen. But just know that everything I've said, like, none of it's BS, bro. None of it. Yeah, I bought 2 cars. Not the smartest investment, but there's a reason why I did that, bro. Oh, I can't wait, boys. I can't freaking wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy moly. Woo. And this is all because of fruits of my labor, man. I've been working, and working a lot of hours is fun when you're learning something, man. Like, when you're always striving to learn something, it's like, you know, especially when you're learning difficult jobs that, like, not many people know how to do, and you figure it out. It's like one of the best freaking feelings. Like, plumbing's cool, construction's cool, right? But the stuff you learn from being a mechanic and electrician is way better because there's so many little things that not everybody knows how to do, right? Roofing is like, it's not rocket science, you know what I mean? You're not messing with, like, really in-depth stuff. Like, you're just messing with roof nails and whatever, the construction of the roof. Then plumbing is freaking pipes, you know, it's easy money. Like, my job description partially is even HVAC. And also I mess with hydraulics. So I mess with hydraulics, I mess with the air, I mess with coolant, and on top of that, electrical mechanical engineering. Obviously, I specialize on the electrical mechanical side, but if I need to do something with plumbing, guess what? I can also do that. So that's what I'm saying, guys. Like, I feel that, like, that has everything, all the above, bro. Like, if you told me to replace a pipe in a freaking house, I can do it for the most part. The traction control's back on. I don't know why. I must have clicked it by accident. But it sounds completely different with it on. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. This thing can pull, bro. This thing can pull. Oh my gosh. Dude, I wish more people drove like me, man. Because, like, sometimes I'd be seeing, like, nice cars like GT3RSs and Lambos. Like, I wish people drove like this, man. Like, you have to realize, like, nobody rapes their car like the way I rape my car on YouTube. Nobody does it the way I do it. And I'm thankful I'm one of the only ones, man, because my goal is to keep buy literally every car you can imagine and do these with all my cars. And then eventually buy crashed ones, make videos of me rebuilding it, and then also making videos of me freaking driving it like this, dude. And I cannot wait. And then if I blow something up, make a video rebuilding the engine. Like, dude, if I can fix $1 million machines, I should be able to fix a freaking engine, bro. What the heck was that? I legit go over the gas and it does that. It's hella satisfying, though. Sounds freaking aggressive, dude. And guys, like, what I noticed, man, is like, when people say daddy's money in the comments, it's like, it's so annoying because it's so easy to make money, man. Like, you just have to do something that's physically intense. Guess what? No one wants to do that. And that's why I have a job. It's because most of the people my age don't want to do labor intensive stuff. So honestly, I'm grateful that people are lazy and don't want to take risks and are scared to touch things that they never touched before, and scared to basically take something apart that they never had training on. Like, I'm so grateful there's kids like that out there, because you're the reason why I can make 6 figures. You're the reason why I can make six figures without a college degree and within 2 years of a schooling in the company while getting paid to do it. Woo! This thing sounds crazy. So it's honestly cute when people be saying daddy's money. You're just freaking lazy, bro. Like, I'm sad. Sorry to say it, but you're freaking lazy. Weak shift. I let go of the gas too early. But yeah, when you do stuff like that, it just kills. It just doesn't sound as good. I just realized there's like all these houses right here. That's why you don't buy a house over here, like on the street, because people like me, man. That's why I'm gonna make sure I don't buy one. Because I know there's kids like me too. I don't blame them, bro. Like these are one of the best built streets I've seen. And I just came from San Francisco, so like I know what I'm talking about, bro. I was in San Francisco, Sacramento. In the suburb of Sacramento, the street sucks still, bro. Everything just, this area is just so amazing, man. Alright boys, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.